we've got this RS, and the seatbelt warning light is on, which isn't a problem. It's because you've not put your seatbelt on. So this gentleman uses this here to kind of knock the noise off, which most of the taxis do. So what I'm going to do here is kind of uncode it, in other words. So even if you don't put your seatbelt on, it won't beep. So what you need to do is go into programming, and then on here it says warning, if I remember rightly. So let's have a look. There it is, warning here. Click that, and it will give you a few options as to which one you want to kind of knock off. So yeah, I mean, most of the taxi drivers use this. So if I just jump in the car as well. Takes a bit of time, this, until it loads up, but once it's up, it will give you the option. Here it is. These are the options that you can kind of turn off. So reverse buzzer, rear seat belt, front passenger, driver. So we'll knock every single one off. So in other words, you won't come on. So off. So that's the driver seat belt. Front passenger off. Rear seat belt warning off. So none of which will buzz, because they're all censored underneath these seats here. So if you press OK, it'll take a moment. So there, it all off. Now it will not buzz when you're driving. It will come on there. So let me just turn it off, turn it back on, and let me just grab the key. Okay, here we are. So now when you drive it, yes, it does come up on there, but that's fine, but it won't ping. On some cars it may disappear, so like BMWs, Mercedes, that will vanish as well, but on these Toyotas it most likely stays, but it will not beep anymore.